Get away from me!
Dang, bruh.
Yeah, that's why you throw like a girl, Big Chin.
Next time I'm sleeping, don't crawl on my face!
Dad, don't be mad at Cheeto. He was just trying to cuddle.
Yeah, Big Ginormous Chin. I just wanted to cuddle.
Do I look like someone who wants to cuddle with a diseased, mutated, rabies-infested rat?
Yeah, you do.
Just leave me alone.
Hey, Dad, look at me. Do I remind you of anyone?
Don't remind me.